Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the second method on how to hang your plant hangers without a ring. I released the first method last week. Please see the description for a link. Here's what the first method looks like. Alright, let's get started on method 2. For this method, we will wrap one piece of rope around the rest of the rope to create a loop. We will be using one 6-foot piece of rope as our wrapping rope. Alternatively, you can add 6 feet to the length of one of the pieces you plan on using to create your plant hanger. I'll explain this in more detail later in the tutorial. Place the cords that you are using to create your plant hanger along a flat surface. Find the middle of the cords and then start wrapping your 6-foot piece of rope around the rest of the cords. Wrap the 6-foot piece of rope around the middle cords 24 times. To hold the end of the cord in place, tie a knot using the end and one of the middle pieces of rope. Fold the wrapped section in half. This will create a loop that will be used instead of your ring to hang your plant hanger. Untie the knot that you tied at the one end of your wrapped section. Use a scrap piece of rope that is about 3 feet long and tie a gathering knot underneath the wrapped section to secure the loop. I'm using a 6-foot piece here, but I had quite a bit left over, so a 3-foot piece should work for you. Adjust the gathering knot if necessary so it sits right underneath the wrapped section. Cut off the ends. Use a tapestry needle to tuck in the ends that are left hanging outside of the gathering knot. We will also need to cut off the ends that are left over from the wrapped section. If you were to add 6 feet to the length of one cord that you were already planning to use for your plant hanger, and use this cord to create the wrapped section, then you wouldn't need to cut the ends because you would continue using them to create your plant hanger. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my ropes so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.